Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury SUVs with the 2024 Land Rover Range Rover, renowned for its off-road prowess and opulent comfort. This latest iteration promises to redefine what it means to travel in style. So, let's buckle up and explore what makes the 2024 Range Rover stand out from the crowd. The Range Rover has been the SUV of choice for celebrities and wealthy elites for decades. But even though it pampers its passengers like a luxury car, it still offers off-road capability that means it can venture well off the red carpet. All models come with all-wheel drive, an adjustable air suspension, and plenty of ground clearance. You can choose between inline-six, plug-in hybrid, and V8 powertrains. You can also deck the Range Rover out with all manner of luxury features, including massaging seats in both rows, rear bucket seats, power-deployable rear seat tray tables, and a beverage chiller. No matter which version you choose, you'll pay a six-figure price, which means the Range Rover automatically costs more than entry-level versions of rivals, such as the Cadillac Escalade, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and the Mercedes-Benz GLS class. But it's exactly all of this obvious extravagance that attracts the Range Rover's image-obsessed buyers. And after sampling several variants of this latest generation of the luxury SUV, we can see why, so we added it to our 2024 Editor's Choice list. What's new for 2024? It's still early in the Range Rover's fifth generation, but already Land Rover has tweaked the powertrain lineup for 2024. Elsewhere, Land Rover has introduced a new customization service called SV Bespoke, which provides buyers more opportunities for personalization when building their dream Range Rover. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Range Rover is available with a quartet of powertrains, starting with a turbocharged inline-six with a 48-volt hybrid system dubbed P400 that develops 395 horsepower. During our initial test drive, it proved to be silky smooth and provided adequate pep to tug the large Range Rover around. A 523 HP twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine, Land Rover calls it P530, is even perkier and cranks up the Range Rover's towing capacity to 8,200 pounds. At our test track, the P530 hustled the Range Rover to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. The P40 did it in 5.5 seconds. A 542 HP plug-in hybrid option called P550E is also available, but only on the short wheelbase autobiography trim. And the range-topping SV comes with a 606 HP V8 called P615. Our long wheelbase P400 test vehicle managed to hit 60 miles per hour in a fairly brisk 5.5 seconds, while the short wheelbase P530 we tested did it in just 4.3 seconds. The Range Rover's ride is suitably plush, and with its adjustable air suspension set to comfort mode, it virtually floats down the road. Turning the dial to dynamic mode firms things up some. But the big Rover still aims for a comfort-first mission: range, charging, and battery life. The EPA hasn't released official range estimates for the plug-in hybrid P550E, but Land Rover says the system's 31.8 kWh battery pack should provide around 51 miles of electric-only driving range. The P550E is capable of DC fast charging or can be charged at a home-based charger. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The most fuel-efficient Range Rover will likely be the plug-in hybrid P550E, but the EPA hasn't estimated fuel economy numbers for that model yet. The entry-level P400 is rated for 18 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, while the V8-powered P530 has earned 16 mpg city and 21 mpg highway estimates. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, both the P400 and the P530 delivered the same 23 mpg result. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As with past generations of the Range Rover, this new generation model offers a plush interior decked out with rich leathers and woods, but buyers who want a more sustainable cabin can now opt for a new leather-free option, which subs in wool or other textiles. The interior can be arranged to seat 4, 5, or 7 depending on configuration and wheelbase. The third row, even in long wheelbase trims, may not fit tall adults as the headroom there is somewhat limited, but shorter riders and kids will find it nearly as comfortable as the second row. An optional motorized divider for the cargo area helps keep things from moving around too much during travel, and the Range Rover's split rear liftgate can be used as convenient and comfortable seating for outdoor events. Infotainment and connectivity. All models receive a new 13.1-inch curved infotainment display, with Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, and the system also receives Amazon's Alexa voice assistant. Other standard features include in-dash navigation, wireless smartphone charging, Sirius XM satellite radio, and a 13.7-inch digital gauge display. A rear seat entertainment system with dual 11.4-inch displays is available, as is a Meridian stereo system with 35 speakers and noise-canceling technology embedded into the headrests. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Land Rover Range Rover starts at $108,875 and goes up to $371,475 depending on the trim and options. In conclusion, the 2024 Land Rover Range Rover represents the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, with its stunning design, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance. It's sure to turn heads wherever you go. So, if you're in the market for a vehicle that's as capable as it is stylish, look no further than the 2024 Range Rover. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy trails.